Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you are enjoying my class of English of upper nursery. Are you practicing at home, children? If not, do practice because I have started with the small letters, all the alphabets. So, small hand letters are quite difficult for you all. So, do practice at home. In your last class, I have started with the missing letters of alphabets, but in small hands. So till last class, till I have done till A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 alphabets I have taught you. So today again in the following class I will teach you again the rest 6 alphabets. So let me tell you which alphabets I will teach you. So identify with me, children. This is G. This is small letter G. Then I made a dash. Then I made a dash. This is not a dash. This is not a dash. Then this is K. I made a dash. So you have to tell me which are the alphabets will be here. If you forget any time, you will start from the beginning so that you can rectify after which alphabets the following alphabets will come. So this is G. After G it comes H. How to write H? Make a standing line, then a inverted U. So see H I made. After H, I, then I, it comes J. Yes, see J. You will make a line, then you will curve it. See J I made. Then it is K. After K it comes L. How to write L? Only a standing line because this is small hand L. So today till this much I will teach you. Why? All the alphabets I will not teach you at a time because it will be a quite burden for you. 6 alphabets I will teach you. So you can do practice at home. So what you will do? Let me show you. This is for the parents. You will write like this. G dash I. You will make the dash here. Then K dash. So you will let your kids to fulfill this. You will just observe that every time I am telling the parents to observe that are they writing in the correct form or are they habituated with all the alphabets. If not, do practice at home because it is very important and these are all in small hands. These are quite difficult for them. So this is A, G. Then you will ask your kids to write H, I, J, K, L. Understood? Everyone, it is clear? Okay. Likewise, always I am giving you homework. See, homework. This is for the parents. I am always asking the parents to write the heading. You will write this alphabets and make gaps between them so that your kids can fulfill it. Only 1 page homework for them. Okay? And you will also observe that they are getting habituated with all the letters or not. You can also jumble it. You can make dash here then write H, or you will make dash here then write J. Anyway you can jumble and you will see that all they are familiar with it. All the alphabets they are getting familiar with it or not. So today the class is till this much. Thank you. Stay safe at home.